Ever wonder what your feline friend is thinking, or why they act like tiny ninjas? Here are some cat facts. Fact 1. Cats have 5 toes on their front paws, but only 4 on the back. So they're a bit more talented on the front lines. Fact 2. A group of cats is called a clouder. Sounds like they're planning some mischief. Fact 3. Whiskers help them squeeze through tiny spaces. Imagine a tiny, furry superhero. Fact 4. Cats can rotate their ears 180 degrees. They're the ultimate earbuds without the wires. Fact 5. The oldest recorded cat lived to be over 38 years. We all want to age gracefully, maybe with extra naps. Next time your kitty gives you that stare, remember, they're super cats with cool facts. Stay pawsome and treat your cat today.